in whispers sweet, in your dreams, the worlds you meet, soft as feathers, angels' wings, carry you where stardust sings. Fairies' laughter fills the night, guiding you with twinkles bright. Sleep, my dear, the night is long. In the silence there's a song.